Hi everyone, welcome to the quick report generation using Excel series. In this video, let's create the exam type plus skill based bound elbows report using Excel. So this is a sample Excel sheet and this is the sample report card I have. On the first school sheet, there is a school information, the logos, a report name and the grade boundaries and the best supported themes. You can select any theme from this given theme option. So these school details are printed at the top of the report card along with the report name and then the logos. On the next sheet, you will find the student details, class name, roll number, date of birth, attendance details. So these are printed on here. The student details are printed here. Now let's move to the subject results. Again, there is a student list and then the exam type, one internal assessment portfolio, whatever the exam types are here. You need to enter the marks here and then the obtained marks, the grade. Whatever you enter here will be printed here in the scholastic areas. This is for the term 1 and let's see for term 2 as well. See. And you will find the overall grade or total here. Now there is a student comment. Again there is a student list and the comments. So here is a class teacher comment. Now next is a signature, the name of the signature holder, designation and then the digital signature. So this is the digital signature. Now here is a course scholastic skills. Again the student list in front of the student. These are the skills and these are the evaluations. And this will be printed here. Similarly for course scholastic areas for term 2, discipline, this is the discipline and the discipline term 2. And this promoted to class was on the first page. Promoted to 7 and if the student is promoted or not, it is available here in the student list, promoted to. So this is how we can generate the exam type plus skill based Mount Elbrus report card using Excel.